Hey guys, welcome back to KM Galaxy Girl. Please excuse this moment. Okay, I just had to lighten up that because my lighting was really bad. But it's KM Galaxy Girl back with another video. And can I get to this to 20 likes? I would be so happy. Not down. Boo-hoo. Not down, but up. Yeah, and up. And comment down below what my next video what you want me to do in my next video. So let's get on with this video. Today I'm going to be showing you squishies that I've actually got from shops. So let's get started. First squishy was this eye bloom peach. Okay. The first one is this. Oh, did I just take a photo? Okay. Get my stick of food out of there. Let's go, Paige. It's my turn to talk. It's my turn to be a liar. Woohoo! I'm just kidding. Here is the eye bloom peach. Squish. Look how dark that is. I mean, that is some beauty right there. I'm just kidding. It's actually like a lot lighter, but actually way more shimmier. Shimmier? Way more shimmery. Way more shimmery. So that's a really squishy. Okay, get that out of our way. Okay. Bye. Sorry about the background. Wait, is this gold? Oh, yeah, it's gold. So it's gold. Okay. Sorry about the background noise. I'm just watching some YouTube on my television because I have Roku. And who doesn't like to watch YouTube on the Roku? I do not know anyone. Okay, next squishy. Oh, it's this unicorn. It's this unicorn. Lighting's so bad. It's really squishy. It's actually really nice. Their company, I forgot. Big Good. Yeah, well, this wasn't from Big Good. This was actually from Silly Squishies. Silly Squishies actually has really slow rising squishies. But iBloom.com, that's where I bought that. They have iBloom.com is basically just a squishy store. They only sell like iBloom squishies, which are really rare. And they actually cost a lot of money. Well, they didn't cost a lot of money. Some of them are like 99 cents. I just seriously make that super. Is that better, guys? I feel like that's better. Okay. Hold on, let me make sure. Just to make sure. Yeah, that was definitely better. Okay. Squish it. Okay. That's squishy. Okay, I definitely need lighting. Okay. It's really big. Woo! Oh god, it's really red. I don't know what color to make this video. Okay. Okay, I'm just watching really weird stuff. Like, it's like not weird.
You need to stop before she hurts her Tukey permanently. You need to protect the Tukey. The Tukey's getting unprotected by this leotard. Alright, well, there you go. That's how to dance, and I'm pretty positive that I won the dance off because now
I just don't know what to say. Okay. Back to the squishing! This is also from iBloom Squishy.com, whatever it's called. iBloom.com, yeah. Smells good. I don't know about this peach. Oh yeah, that definitely smells like peaches. Okay, bye-bye. You're taking too much of my time! Is this watermelon? Okay. This watermelon. Oh god. Sorry. Okay. There we go. That's a lot. Guys, is that better? Whoop. Okay. Never mind. Just back to squishing. Squish. Here, I need to zoom in more. Okay. That was a little bit too much. Smells really good too. I believe this was from like Baked Good. I think this was from Baked Good, yeah. Let's see. Okay, this popcorn. Here, I need to actually zoom in on that. There we go. Actually, a little bit in. Here we go. Okay, I'm just going to move it down. And mush. Oh God, did I see? What? What? Squish. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that subscribe button. Bang, 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 bang. And please give a like to this video. And comment down below what you want me to do in my next one. Bye. Bye, guys. See you later.